And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce our esteemed guests. They are Mr. Rizbin Mohammed, Honorable Beauty Member, BUFT, and Mr. Abdullahi Rakib, Vice President of the Bangladesh Garment Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Managing Director Team Group and Beauty of BUFT. And also Mr. Mashiu Azmashadel, BOT Member, BUFT. Okay. And now let's join me in welcome Mr. Abdullahi Rakib to deliver a speech.
Thank you, and good morning. In fact, most of us met yesterday in BGMEA, and welcome to BUFT. As we was discussing even yesterday that this is so much appropriate in terms of timing that the Chinese delegation come here to have the proper collaboration between between two country or two industry to upkeep the growth for the both. The synergy is that as a country or the industry specific, we have growth potential in man-made fiber. Of course, we also want to diversify our product basket. And China is well ahead than us. So we have many things to learn from China. And I'm so happy and glad that today we have this integration between the students and research fellows in our faculties. I must say that this is an opportunity for our fellow colleagues in this university to connect, to transfer the technology. If each of the students really can connect, they understand it, because at the end of the day, what they are doing in China right now, we will have to do it by next 5 years. Before we have the LDC graduation finish, if we have to compete globally, we will have to have this transformation of knowledge, technology, and the mindset to have the proper growth what we are having a goal set. We want to have $100 billion export between 2030. And into this growth pattern, we determined that the man-made fiber diversification is going to play a vital role. And you all are the leaders who are showing your excellence globally, and we can learn from each of you. I have met some of you in BGMEA yesterday, and I must say that I am eager to meet everybody individually to circulate among our members so that everybody can utilize your knowledge, your connectivity, strength, and price efficiency. I must say that as long you understand how to hand-hold together with us, you also need to diversify your manufacturing capacity and capability between the region. So each of you become global manufacturer or global supply chain partners, so that you utilize the growth potential of Bangladesh between next 2 decades. So this is very important that we marry each other between the country, between the industry partners, and between the companies to learn the technology, to have the advantage of the demographic dividend which Bangladesh have. Bangladesh, until 2045, Bangladesh will grow, and manufacturing is very much feasible, which might not necessarily feasible right now in China, and that's how maybe you are looking for the new market. So for you to grow and for us to grow, let us hand-hold together, and either this is academy industry partnership into this university versus your institution, be it the research, be it the business. I think we have many things to do together. Thank you all very much. I will also have a separate session for 15 minutes later on. I will elaborate some other points, but I must say that welcome home, and this is your next home, and you are our friends always, and we want to continue this relationship. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for inspiring words. Now let's welcome Mr. Song Yang, Economic and Commercial Counselor at the Embassy of People's Republic of China in Bangladesh. And Mr. Song, your presence underscores the importance of cooperation between our two nations. We eagerly await your insights on fostering stronger ties in the tech sector. Let's welcome
all the honorable guests on the stage, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all of you. It's my great pleasure to attend the 2024 China-Bangladesh Industrial Development Forum on International Textile Technology Integration. On behalf of the Chinese Embassy in Bangladesh and His Excellency Ambassador Yao Wen, I would like to express my heartfelt congratulations to BUFT and CTES for successfully organizing this forum. I would also like to use this opportunity to extend my sincerest gratitude to all friends here for your contributions to the development of China-Bangladesh relations. Friends, in the past few years, under the political guidance of leaders of our two countries, China-Bangladesh relations developed steadily. I understand that the theme of today's forum is textile industry. However, as a commercial counselor in Chinese Embassy, I would like to use this opportunity to share with you the latest progress of our bilateral economic and trade cooperation in the year 2023. In this year, China-Bangladesh trade and investment cooperation have developed smoothly. China has maintained Bangladesh's largest trading partner for 13 consecutive years, and is also Bangladesh's largest source of imports. In particular, Bangladesh's trade deficit with China has decreased by 15%, which indicates the trade imbalance has been effectively improved. And China is also a major source of foreign direct investment, FDI, for Bangladesh, with an investment stock of $3.2 billion as of December. And also in this year, the two countries have jointly witnessed fruitful achievements in the construction of mega projects. Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has attended the inauguration ceremony of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Tunnel, the Dasher Gandhi sewage treatment plant project, Dhaka to Banga section of Padma Bridge rail link project, railway line from Dohazari to Cox's Bazar, and the first section of Dhaka elevated expressway. By now, Chinese enterprises have constructed 7 railways, 12 roads, 21 bridges, and 31 power plants in Bangladesh, and providing more than 55,000 job opportunities to local people. And in 2023, China aid projects have been playing an even more important role in promoting economic and social development of Bangladesh. China provided anti-dengue emergency supply valued around $3.5 million to Bangladesh. And China also donated more than 1,400 sewing machines to local people in North Dhaka under the framework of China United Nations Development Progress. And also in this year, more than 400 Bangladesh officials and technical experts have been given the opportunity to attend training programs in China. Ladies and gentlemen, as an important pillar industry of our two countries, the textile industry has always played a very important role in promoting our bilateral economic and trade relations, which is not only related to our economic growth, but also serving as a bridge connecting our friendship. China's Belt and Road Initiative, proposed by President Xi Jinping of China, also provides a broader space for the textile cooperation between our two countries. So under the framework of BRI, we have jointly promoted a coordinated development of the textile industry, co-built the industry chain and supply chain, and realized the goal of mutual benefit and win-win situation. It is of great significance of us to meet here today to study and explore ways to deepen our textile cooperation, to push both of us to realize a higher level of innovative development in textile science and technology, and to strengthen our collaboration in talent cultivation, which is in line with our common interests. I believe that under the framework of the BRI, textile industry in our two countries will usher in a brighter future, and our friendship will be continuously enriched and deepened. Finally, I wish today's forum a complete success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Song, for your valuable perspective and for your efforts in stressing China-Bangladesh relations. Next, let's welcome Mr. Mashal Azam Shajal, BOT member BUFT, to deliver a speech.
Good morning. My English is not good, but my distinguished guests on the stage and honorable guests sitting in front of us at the audience today. This is an immense pleasure to say a few words here in this forum. This is really a very, very great initiative that what we have, you guys have taken, CTES, and thank you so very much. This Silk Road, what you were talking about, best of my knowledge, like this thing started many, many years back when Marco Polo came all the way from Europe to China, and that Silk Route started because of your very interesting fabrics, spices, and all these kind of things. So this was, best of my knowledge, correct me if I'm wrong, but this initiative can be a great beneficial for Bangladesh as well as China, because we are still doing some basic stuffs where China is doing really the high-end stuff which is possible at this moment in the world. What people are thinking right now, China is already making it. We are seeing it in this world. And thanks, China, for your great innovation and initiatives. And for the development of Bangladesh, China's role is amazing. Few days back, I was in a painting exhibition where I saw one young artist who made a painting. There was like China and Bangladesh flags, one after another, and the two countries' currencies, one after another. It was a very, very interesting thing. Well, for what Mr. Rakib told us here very correctly, that this is really the right time where Bangladesh is looking for 100 billion export in very short time. And you can really be our greatest partner again. You are our partner in development, you are in partner in our infrastructure and all these kind of things. And regarding textiles, this is one of the specialized university where academias can help. We already have 6 collaborations. 6 universities of China is with our BUFT. This is a very, very interesting information for us. As a development partner, like we are really looking forward that your technological things can come to this country, the man-made fiber and all these things. Then it is not feasible that you make your own clothes in China anymore, and you have over 130, 1.3 billion people. So we can do that for you. You have all the raw materials that can come to Bangladesh, and we can produce garments for you, and you can also start your industries here, which is a very, very big thing. Already there are a lot of Chinese industries in this country. And thank you for all these great initiatives. Then again, the new chapter, I believe there is a new chapter is opening today. And you get our commitment from BUFT that we will do our best to make this thing happen, and we will go forward with you, with hand in hand, that how we really can grow together. And Bangladesh is the next destination that I can tell you again, till 2045, there is a huge demographic dividend that you can also enjoy here using Bangladesh. Thank you so very much for giving me this opportunity and everything. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Masha Azam Shadel, for your speech.